Hello and welcome again to another Celebrity Telecom video for the UNIdial system. Today we're going to be looking at a quick overview of how the system works. So we're going to go ahead and go into the administration. We're going to go ahead and create a campaign, add a new campaign. We'll call this campaign, for example, 6,000. Name it a test campaign. Description, if you want, you leave a description as well. You leave it who's in charge of the admin groups for these campaigns. In this case, we'll leave it as administrators. It is currently an active campaign. Allow closes, which means it allows people who will receive calls from the campaign as well receive calls from the in-groups. Minimum hopper letter, we always recommend to put it at 500. Auto dial should be by default starting off at 4. Next agent call, we'll do it longest wait time. Your local call time will be the local call times of the leads. So if you call California between 12 and 5 p.m., you only call California between 12 and 5 p.m., not of your time, of California's time. Scripts you have any allows you to create. Click on submit. And we just created a campaign. Now we're going to go ahead and create and upload leads. Before we load new leads, we create a list. So let's go ahead and add a new list. Call this list 2002. We'll name it test. We'll give a description if need be, and then we'll attach it to a particular campaign. And then of course we have to activate the list. Click on submit. Now your list is activated. Here, in case if you run out, once you're done dialing all of your leads in the list, you then have the option to reset the call size in this list. So when you call, for example, answer machines or voicemails, it'll call them back and try to make a connection. Simply click on yes. Scroll to the bottom, submit, and it's already resetted the list. Now we have a list that's upload leads. First we choose a file. Then we'll choose the list where to upload the list to. In this case, it will be the test. Then we'll do custom layout. We leave phone code override alone. That's only if you're calling outside the US. Choose your custom layout. You do any duplicate check. You can duplicate check by the system if it's not already in there. Then click on submit. And now we will specify what each column represents in the sheet. So, for example, this would be your phone number. This would be first name. Last name, city, state, and then once you're done entering your columns and you know what you want to upload to, you simply click on OK to process. If everything is uploaded correctly, it'll show you down here where your good list, your bad list, and your total number that was uploaded. It's just an example, so that it was already in the system. I will show you how to create and copy users. So we'll add a user. Just we'll call them 8,000. Password of 4321. First full name if you want. You can put agent 8888. User ID of 1, which will be his as an agent. Phone login will be 8888 4321. Click on submit, and you just created an agent. Now you have the option to, once you have your agent perfectly configured and you want to use that agent again, two simple options is just copy users. So we'll choose 8889. Password will be 4321. Full name if need be. And you pick the source of where the perfect agent is at. So in this case, we'll just take 1,000 for example. Submit. Just copy the user. For every user, you need to have a phone. So let's go to the phones. Now you have to create a new phone. Extension, for example, 8889. Call parent 8889. Voicemail 8889. Outbound call ID will take place from the campaign settings. Agent screen will be 8889. This would be your login pass for the screen. This would be a registration pass for your soft phone. And once it's done, click on submit, and your phone's been created. Take a quick look at the scripts. Create a new script. Call it 889. Script name would be test. Script comments if need be. And here you have where you're going to put in. So for example, you could do something like hello. So now you save this script, open it up, give you a preview. So it says, hello, my name is Joe Agent. Is this John? So I pulled information from the lead to help make the script more smooth. Then we're going to talk about adding audios to the audio store. All audios need to be in 16-bit mono aka PCM WAV files. So you want to upload, for example, for your voicemails or your campaign or audios for a call menu. Here's where you would upload all your audio equipment. Here we have the real-time main report screen. This is where all the action will take place. Shows you what you currently have leads in the hopper, what you have answered and dropped calls, as well as your percentage, which is always a good idea to keep track of that so you don't have too much of a high drop ratio. So let's go take a quick look at the agent screen. Pick a different campaign that's currently active. So now you have your call back from your soft phone. You'll click on answer.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
And you'll pop in, and this is what your screen would look like. This is where the lead would populate, what you upload into the system. Here you would hang up on the customer once you're done talking with them in reference to doing a disposition on the lead. You can also do manual callbacks as well as manual dials. So that's pretty much it on our side. So that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for watching more videos from us, Starry Telecom. Thank you.